Happy birthday to Tita Von! Happy birthday to you!
Say, I love you, Tita
I
Bon.
love you, Tita Von!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Kiss.
Happy birthday, Mami Ibon. Wishing you more birthdays to come and more blessings to receive. Halong ka muna, Mami Ibon. Enjoy your birthday. God bless.
Happiest birthday, Mami Ibon. May this day be filled with happiness and unforgettable memories. Wishing you more birthdays and more blessings to come. God bless.
Happiest 48th birthday, Ning Ibon. Wishing you more happiness in life, more blessings to receive, and good health. I miss you so much. God bless.
Happiest and blessed birthday to my wonderful daughter, Nining Ibon. A very kind, thoughtful, loving, and caring. God bless always.
Happy birthday, Ma. Thank you for everything that you've done for us. I'm sorry na medyo ako tahimik and that I don't talk to you much, but I want you to know that I love you very much and that I treasure you. I will continue to keep doing better and keep making you proud.
Happy birthday, Ma! Thank you for loving and caring and supporting us throughout all of these years. Thank you for all of the sacrifices you have made. We haven't seen each other in a very long time, and I hope soon that we will all be able to see each other again and spend time with each other again. Even though we are far apart, just know that you will and always have been a continuing source of inspiration for me, and you inspire me to become a better person every day. I promise I will continue working hard in school and doing better for you. Thank you. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy 50th birthday, Mama Ibon. Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday, Ma, and gusto ko lang mag-thank you for being the best mother, and also thank you rin sa pag-suporta sa amin and sa paggabay sa amin, and wish ko sana na mas maging healthy ka pa, and also mas maging masaya ka rin, and you've been my inspiration through my journey, lalo na sa school and also sa pagiging engineer. And ayun lang, Ma, I miss you and I love you and mag-ingat ka palagi.